Hello everyone, my name is Abhilasha and I am making this video to complete my machine learning course from Skyfi Lab. My project is on my self prediction and there is lot of things which can be done in this. I will try to make this video as short as I can and I will try to make you understand about. So first let us see the data which I have taken from internet. So this is my data training. Here we have used the item identification, item weight, item VAT, item visibility, item type. There are lots of things. And then we will see the test. So these are the two datas which we are going to take. I have taken a data set from Kaggle called Big Market Cell Prediction. In order to see the increase of cell, I have thereby analyzed the individual frequent item set through the data set available. My project is working in 4 steps, which are exploring the data, feature engineering, creating models, and evaluation. And here we are using linear regression for making this video. We are using description. This is a statistical detail of the data set. And then we are using info. This is a summary data set. And then we are using sum, which is checking the missing value in the data set. And this is checking the value in item weight column. Checking value in item weight column. Value has been filled and printed. I have made use of count methods to see the number of elements in each section. Now we are analyzing each feature using graph. So we have used plot to plot the graph. SNS is important in this. And then we are printing skew and kurtosis value. This is another graph. Here we have rotated 90-degree label by using this command, rotation equals to 90. And here also we have used 90-degree. This is a graph versus item outlet seller and item weight graph. This is Ansel versus year graph. Here we have displayed the item average weight. You can see. And this we have defined the data. Here we have displayed the visibility item average. This we have distracted these varieties. Here we are determining the year of operation of storage, making sure the non-consumables are separated from the fat-contained ones. Okay, from my side. Right now I am working in this project and there are a lot of things to do more. Um, I hope you like this, you like my project. Thank you.